Hello, beautiful Earth family. How's everyone doing? So I just wanted to give an update for the weekend. It was a very busy weekend. Many of us celebrated Easter and resurrection in many ways. And for me, this time of the year is always very symbolic. And in particular, this year feels more so powerful because all of us, I feel, at one level are going through type of renewal of rebirth, and that's the whole collective. So in regards to the planet, the Schumann's resonance over the weekend spiked. We had a spike of 45 on Saturday, and then we've had a blackout for many hours. I don't know if it's back on yet, but last I heard it was still a blackout. The sun has also been very active. And so we've been surrounded by a lot of, again, highly charged energy that is entering our electromagnetic field. And so the sun, we had a couple of M flares. And so, again, I say that this is a reflection a lot of the times of what's going on with the collective. We're also receiving new harmonic codes and tones that are allowing for us to remove any and all distortions that we have picked up along the way. Right now the energy on the planet is very high, and it's a very highly energetically charged phase of our ascension process. Right now it's a time for us to work on and allow for forgiveness, for the release of judgment and lack, which a lot of us have been holding on for a long time. It's time for us to embrace unity and fraternity. It's time for the human family to come together. So all those rainbow warriors out there, it's our time. We got to do this. That's what we came here for. And so a lot of us are holding space for that. It's time for us to let go of that which no longer serves us. It's time for us to embody our true self. This is a very big collective shift, and it is being done in stages so as not to overwhelm our nervous system and our physical vessels, which we have to take extra good care of. As always, I encourage you to ground, drink lots of water, spend time in nature, spend time with your animals, because your animals can actually help you ground. Spend time near water. Water is very, very powerful. So I think I'm going to stop there, but I will update more as I get more information. Have a beautiful, blessed day, everyone. You're all doing a great job. No matter how little or how much work you're doing, you are being supported. And so have a good day. Bye-bye.